Effective strategies for stopping spam calls and texts. Receiving a spam call or text message has become a daily interruption for almost every person. While many individuals wonder if marking these messages as spam actually makes a difference, the reality is that it does help, though perhaps not in the way most people expect. When you mark a communication as spam on your device, your phone learns to block or silence that specific number in the future. This ensures that subsequent messages from that sender never reach your inbox and calls are sent directly to voicemail without ringing. Beyond your personal device, your cellular carrier receives a signal when you flag a number. Major service providers aggregate this data, and if a sufficient number of people report the same source, the carrier will label it as spam likely and may block it across their entire network. However, there is a more powerful step that many users miss. If you receive a spam text, you should forward it to the number 7726, which spells out spam on a keypad. This action sends the message directly to your carrier for a deeper analysis of the number, the content, and any included links. When enough people take this specific action, the scam can be shut down much more quickly. It is equally important to know what actions you must avoid. Never reply to a spam text message. Even replying with the word stop is a mistake because it confirms to the scammer that your phone number is active and monitored. Once a scammer knows a number is real, the volume of messages will often multiply. The most effective protocol is simple. Do not respond, do not click any links, and forward the message to 7726. After forwarding, you should report and delete the message within your app. Recent surveys indicate that the average person receives more than 40 spam text messages every month. Phone companies strongly urge their customers to never engage with these callers or senders. If you do not recognize a number, why answer it? The best defense is to report the intrusion and move on with your day. By following these steps, you not only reduce the number of interruptions you receive but also help protect the wider community from fraudulent activity.